What's the meaning of actress? Actress. 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 An actress is a female performer who acts in plays, movies, TV shows, or other forms of entertainment. She is responsible for portraying a character and bringing them to life on screen or stage through her acting skills and training. Acting is often a challenging and competitive profession that requires both talent and dedication. Actresses may specialize in specific genres, such as drama or comedy, and may also have expertise in other areas, such as dancing or singing. Overall, actresses play an essential role in the world of entertainment, bringing stories and characters to life and entertaining audiences worldwide.